What's good, everybody? Your boy Greg the Dude, GregGrills.com. Coming on here real quick, you guys, to show you all how I normally light my grill, because people ask me this all the time because I say I don't use lighter fluid. So I use a Weber chimney starter. Well, I have two of them. I have a Weber chimney starter, and then I just got a little cheap one that I got on clearance from Kroger at the end of the summer a couple years ago. So sometimes I use them both, just because this is a pretty big grill. Sometimes I feel like I need more coals. So this is what I was talking about in the previous clip. So I use these Weber chimney starter. Well, I got one Weber one, and then I got this one Kroger closed out like a while ago. And then I use the little Weber lighter cubes right there for both sides versus it being a smaller grill. So I typically like to use both. So here's how this thing works. So you fill this up with charcoal, and since I'm only using one hand, I'm going to show you. So typically what you do is you fill it up with charcoal, you put paper at the bottom. I used to use newspaper when I first started, but I think the best thing to use is the Weber cubes. So here are the Weber cubes, and I'll put a link in the description for all this stuff just in case you guys want to order you one. I'm telling you, it'll change your life. It makes your food taste so much better. I've never grilled with lighter fluid in my life. So you just take these cubes, you put a couple cubes under the bottom of this, which is what we're going to do. I'm going to take a couple cubes out of here. You can also use newspaper, but you just take your fire, and then I'm going to do it on this side too. Okay. And your coals will be ready in about 15 minutes. No lighter fluid or any of those harmful chemicals. All right, you guys, so as you can see, here's my coals. I like to take a stick and kind of scoot the coals around a little bit so it can be a little bit more even. But there you go. And I'm mainly only using one side of the grill, so that's why I didn't put it everywhere. So as y'all can see, y'all, these are the coals. Be sure that you guys are using some kind of oven mitt or something. I got this Food Network oven mitt. It is a silicone oven mitt that I use for my fire pit as well as when I'm grilling, because it's heavy, it gets hot too, you guys. So just keep that in mind. I'll put a link in the description. I got it from Kohl's. It's always on sale, y'all, for a good deal. So I'm gonna let my coals, I'm gonna roll this down, go get my racks, put my racks on here, and yeah, get ready to put my food on the grill. All right, my burgers are done, y'all. I done added the turkey sausage, some other sausage. I just threw the corn up there, y'all. We gonna see how the corn turns out. But yeah, it's looking good. These steaks look so good. I think those are good enough. All right, see that? Okay, so that's done. All right.